Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and especially watch the video on my homepage to learn more. So anyways, gold did just end up continuing the uptrend. If you watched my morning video, I said that for me personally, the next big area of resistance is definitely going to be this 178% Fibonacci extension. This is my wave 3 extension on the weekly monthly time frame. You know, wave 3s can go way beyond the 178 and the 161.8, just like we've been seeing, but definitely my next big area of resistance I think would be right there. So if it does pull back, then I definitely would still be highly focused on longs. There's no reason whatsoever to think that any move to the downside is nothing more than a correction to the uptrend, at least until we get a nice proper Fibonacci bounce and then hopefully a break of structure. If that happens, that definitely would turn me more bearish. But for now, definitely looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you and happy trading.